Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I was busy all day and didn't get home till like 12:30 in the morning. But I want to go ahead and do the question and answers video. I think I got about 8 questions or something. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through those real quick, just so I don't leave you guys hanging. Curtis is asking, I think on Monday's video, what was the plastic tube in the video? And yeah, that was basically the temporary HVAC duct system, basically just blowing warm air from a machine downstairs on the first floor all the way up to the 6th floor through the stairwell to bring in warm air to dry the sheetrock and paint and all that stuff inside the building. And then Pasha was asking a question which I kind of already answered. What tool do you use for cutting out holes for your single gang boxes? Basically a handsaw or a multi-tool, whatever I have on site or whatever I have with me or what the company has. And then Ruben asked, can you make a good living with this trade or you plan on doing something else? And yeah, you can make a good living with this trade. I mean, I think you could support a family with this income. So I guess that answers the question. I think you make pretty good money to support yourself and others. I guess that's about it. And then Shane was saying, kind of a big paragraph here. So he's saying if you start from the bottom and work your way up, will this trade save you? I guess, like support yourself, yeah, which is basically what I just answered about Rubens. You can make a good living with it. And then he also left a bunch of other questions like, do you learn some really useful life skills? I wouldn't say super useful, but you definitely interact with other people and learn how to do a trade that is very useful that you can use anywhere and help out your friends and stuff like that for money or for fun or whatever. Is it easy to promote / keep a decent paying job? Yeah, easy to promote. Basically, once you get your hours, if you're in an apprenticeship, once you get your hours, you just get more money. And it's pretty easy to keep a job. Granted that there's work to be done, but it's easy to find another job if you get laid off or anything like that. At least where I'm at, I've never had a problem, really. I've always found a job within like a week or a month or whatever, if I've been laid off. Any bonuses after job completion? Not really. Maybe like at Christmas time or something like that, or company picnics, they'll give away money or tools or something like that. It just depends on how generous the person you work for is. That's non-union. And do jobs offer full benefits for families or without families? Yeah, you get full benefits depending on the company again, just what they have. So yeah, I'm not sure about with families. I'm pretty sure that includes it as well. Do they let you eat and drink on the work site? Yeah, you can eat and drink. Once they get more down to the finish stage, like where we're at right now, they're kind of getting upset because people keep spilling drinks. So they kind of want you to have a screw-on lid, but you can still bring drinks on the job site. Are there as many rich people in the trade as people say there are? I've never actually heard that before, but I'm assuming if they're rich, they wouldn't be working in the trades unless they really enjoyed it. But I have never heard that before, so I don't know. But people do make a decent living, but I wouldn't say that they are rich by any means, or stupid rich or anything like that. And then on to Wednesday's video, a few more questions from Ace Jones. He says, do you need to know Ohm's law? That's what I'm studying in school. I'd say you need it for school, but in the real world, not really. I've never used it. But then again, I've never really calculated anything in the field, so it's helpful for school because you need to know that stuff to pass and stuff like that, but in the real world, no, at least for me. And then Mr. Matt was giving me some video ideas, like the differences between residential and commercial, a job task, and different tools I use for commercial. So maybe I'll try to make that a video for tomorrow, because I'm not going to get to that today or have really time to answer that today. I think that was more of a video idea than a question, so I'll try to get around to that. So I appreciate that idea, which sounds like it would get some views. And then Curtis was asking again, how is your Corvette? Any issues with the transmission? I think my Corvette is slightly messed up right now just due to my trip and almost killing myself on the salt flats. And any issues with the transmission? Not really. It does kind of shift rough sometimes when I'm stopping, like going from like 4th gear to 1st gear, when it automatically downshifts. Or recently I feel like it's been like when I let off the gas or step on the gas, it's a little bit jerky. So I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it or if that's just normal. I've been like hypersensitive to how the car's been feeling since I've gone on my road trip and kind of messed it up. So I'm not really sure if that was like that before, if it's just getting worse, or if that's something developing. But anyways, it's good for the most part. It drives, and I haven't really had any problems with it. Besides like changing oil and getting gas. But I do probably need to change out the rotors soon, because I overheated them, I think, at the salt flats, stopping so much. So I think they're warped or something like that, and the brakes probably need to get changed soon, but just basic wear and tear for the most part. But yeah, I did mess something up that I need to get checked out. It feels like something's kind of wobbling or unbalanced on the back left wheel or something like that. But anyways, I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this and that answers your questions. And like I said, Mr. Matt, I will try to get back to you on that video idea, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I don't forget. And thanks for the questions, guys. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys back here soon, maybe tomorrow night or something like that. And anyways, I'm going over to a friend's house, so I need to finish eating my breakfast right here and head out. So I'll see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you later. Thanks, guys. Peace out.